Glitchbeats.com.
What do you think about Mongo?
So it seems you got a problem, cause I'm not just a beast, I'm a motherfucking monster. So it seems you got a problem, cause I'm not just a beast, I'm a motherfucking monster. So what did you expect? This white boy not gonna be able to represent the Midwest? You better get your head checked. What, are you crazy? Haven't you seen my crew? IMG, Indiana Midwest Goons. I'm also part of a movement, a way of thought. Oh, what you didn't know, motherfucker, this is Upshot. We standing tall, together, united. So many cannot wait, but for some reason the haters are not that excited. But that's their job, they 9 to 5, the occupation. The way I shine, the way I ride, just keep on hating. I'm gonna keep on getting mine until there's no more to be taken. Out of sight, out of mind, I gotta keep you out the conversation. But if you feeling like your presence should be known, I'm just warning you right now, you don't wanna go down that road. And if I could recommend one thing to the dude in the Echo hat, it would be this: run as fast as you can. Cause guess who's back to attack, and the fact is that you is a junkie right in the back of bacon fat, right in their ear telling them stories, claiming you got them rags, but you ain't got that. Chicken of the sea ain't got no money, yeah, I got them stacks, yeah, I got that cash. Another reason why your bitch, she love me. So it seems you got a problem, cause I'm not just a beast, I'm a motherfucking monster. So it seems you got a problem, cause I'm not just a beast, I'm a motherfucking monster. So it seems you got a problem, cause I'm not just a beast, I'm a motherfucking monster. So it seems you got a problem, cause I'm not just a beast, I'm a motherfucking monster. What it is, what you know, poppin' pills, snort that blow. Fuck that bitch, forget that hoe. Everything that I got going on way better than anything you've ever done. Light baggage, carry on, we running this shit marathon, I'm calling it quits. Ricky Williams. Now why should I quit? I'm making it killing, stacking so much it's touching the ceiling. I am the bad guy, I am the villain, but I don't mind, I'm loving the feeling. You couldn't see that I have lost it. I'm no longer just a beast, I'm a motherfucking monster.
I'm another Midwest monster, trying to make a living, giving everything he's got, everything he's not. Got them all running at the mouth like he ain't gon' chop, but he ain't gon' stop. He gon' take off like a rocket with a motherfucking sonic blast. Put him on the ass, dressed in black, hip-hop's Johnny Cash. Me and Upshot gonna get it poppin', everybody watching, never off my game. Every time I get a pen, just another chance to advance, get a little off my brain. I'm never off my aim, insane with a wicked manner. We bang like hammers from Iowa to Indiana.
So it seems you got a problem, cause I'm not just a beast, I'm a motherfucking monster.